Now our next program is program number 25, smaller of three numbers. Our previous program is larger of three numbers and this is smallest of three numbers. So there is simple logic. In our previous program we use greater than and in this program we simply use less than. So let's take three values first. First dash number into float the first second number second dash now let's take the number of dash input and for the third number. Now let's giving now let's write the logic here. If first dash number is less than second dash number, first dash number is less than third dash number. Print. Let's take a string then comma the smallest first dash number. Okay. Now let's do write a next condition. Alif alif second dash number is less than first dash and second dash number is less than third dash number is second dash number. Now this line also finished. Now let's give her alert third dash number is less than first dash number second dash number. Print extend then our quotation the small dash third dash number. Okay, that's our logic and it's done here again, but we do not. Let's try an else statement. What we write in else statement, we simply copy from here and we can paste in this. Let's write and change the largest to smallest. There is no unique smallest number because two or more numbers are equal. Let's try this code. Now let's take first number is 760, now 860 and take 560. The smallest number is 560. Now let's take two common numbers 560, that 560 and 780. There is no unique small number. There is because there are two similar numbers, so there is no unique number. So this video ends here, guys. We will meet again in our next video. Then bye for now.